Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can integrate Stripe Payment Gateway in Next.js. So let's jump right in. Start by creating a new Next.js project. Just open your terminal and run the command to scaffold a new app. Once that's done, go ahead and move into the newly created folder. Next, you'll want to install a few dependencies to enable Stripe integration. These include the core Stripe library, the client-side SDK, and the React bindings for Stripe. These packages allow your app to talk to Stripe from both the server and the client side. Once that's installed, the next step is configuring your API keys. Head over to your Stripe dashboard, grab your publishable and secret keys, and then create an file at the root of your project. In that file, define environment variables for both the public and secret keys, along with your localhost URL for development. Now let's set up the backend logic for handling Stripe checkout sessions. Create an API route inside your PageSappy folder. This route will receive a payment amount from the front end, generate a new Stripe checkout session, and return the session ID. Use this code to configure that handler using your secret key and set up a basic checkout session. It also includes success and cancel URLs to redirect the user accordingly after the transaction. Once that's in place, let's move to the front end and build the button that users will click to make a purchase. Create a new component for the checkout button. This component will use Stripe's client library to redirect the user to the secure Stripe checkout page after fetching a session ID from your backend. Use this code for the button handler logic. It will also handle basic error redirection in case something goes wrong. Next, to improve user experience, let's add two basic pages, one for a successful payment and another for errors. These pages will show simple messages confirming whether the payment was completed or if something went wrong. Go ahead and create two pages in your pages directory, one named Success.jsx and the other Error.jsx, and use this code to structure each page. Now it's time to bring the button into the main application. Open your homepage file and clean up the default code. Then import your checkout component and place it in the layout. Use this code to display the button in the center of the page with a sample amount value. Once all files are set up, you're ready to test it out. Back in your terminal, run the development server. When you open the browser and visit your local app, you'll see your checkout button. Clicking it will redirect you to the Stripe-hosted payment page, and from there you can complete a test transaction. After that, you'll land on either the success or error page, depending on the outcome.